Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to take you along with me for a little grocery haul and weekly meal prep. Let's get to it. I spent $101. What I got 4 sweet potatoes. I grabbed a 2-pound bag of frozen broccoli. I grabbed a 3-pack of romaine lettuce that looks like it's on its last leg. I grabbed some fresh green beans, some Pillsbury bread flour. I usually use the King Arthur brand, but I have not been able to find it in a few weeks. I grabbed an acorn squash, a spaghetti squash, and a butternut squash. I grabbed a pack of Toll House cookies. I grabbed some sliced provolone cheese and some Havarti cheese. This is my husband's favorite and my favorite. This is for some slow cooker sandwich recipes that I'm going to make this week. I grabbed the biggest thing of sour cream I could grab. I want to try the Great Value mayonnaise brand. I really like Aldi's brand. I think it's Berman's brand. It just like reminds me of when I was broke, so I want to see if theirs is good. I grabbed 3 boxes of the Betty Crocker fudge brownies. I'm going to do a brownie, I'm going to do a brownie video. I don't know, my mind is going blank right now. You'll see that this week. I also grabbed some heavy whipping cream and some hot on the border salsa. I grabbed some Dawn dish soap, a jar of marinara sauce. This is going to go with these meatballs that I grabbed for a slow cooker recipe. I grabbed a bag of tortilla chips. I purchased some cherry pie filling. This is gonna go with those brownies. And some broccoli cheese soup. This white chocolate instant jello and this vanilla jello, I believe, are both for the fudge brownie recipes as well. I grabbed an 18-pack of eggs. I grabbed a pound of bacon. I'm not sure how many pounds of bacon I have in my freezer, so I figured I'd pick one up. I grabbed some antacid tablets. I also have this pot roast, and I grabbed some chicken breast. What's really odd is when you order the boneless, skinless chicken breast for pickup right now, it's $1.88 a pound, and it was $2.08 a pound when I went in. So I'm not sure what's up with that, but it's fine. $2.08 a pound isn't bad. And I also picked up 2 conditioning treatments and some Duo glue, eyelash glue. I love wearing fake eyelashes, but I have not had Duo glue in quite a while, so I'm so glad to have that back. And then I also grabbed these. I can't say this out loud because this is a surprise for my husband, but I grabbed some of these from him because these are his favorite. It's a pretty standard haul. I've got a few specialty items. I've been craving squash so much lately, so I just grabbed a couple different kinds so we can enjoy those throughout the week. So I'm going to share with you what my meal plan is. Alright, just so you can get an idea of what I'm going to do with the ingredients that I just bought. These are like my staple meal ideas for the week. Now, I do kind of do whatever I want, so like if I'm not craving something, I'll just make something else, that's fine. But these are the recipes that I would like to film for you guys. So I am going to be making some meatball subs, some French dip sandwiches, some cracked chicken sandwiches. I'm also going to be making a tortilla beef bake, some beef and broccoli casserole, and some shepherd's pie. So these are my 6 main meals that I hope to make this week. And of course, I'll take you along with me as I prepare those throughout the week. All right, what I am going to do with these chicken breasts These are like half frozen. I'm just gonna cut them in half and then cut any pieces off that I don't want. And then I'm gonna cut those just into strips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add these strips into this bowl. That's going to be one dinner right there. This I'm just going to cut in half. I'm going to do the same with this one. And then with these two, I'm gonna cut these into smaller pieces. I actually like cutting the meat when it's kind of frozen, but you have to be a lot more careful. Now I'm not gonna trim this one as much because I'm gonna use these, I believe, like in a stir-fry dish. I am going to take this sweet and tangy sauce that we've had sitting in the back of our cabinet for forever now, and I'm just gonna add my pieces of chicken in here. Make sure they're all separated. Now I'm going to take that sauce and I'm just going to add it over top. And by the time we make this, this will be so delicious and marinated all the way through. Now we gotta hope it'll close. It did. Good deal. So that's one dinner already made. And what we'll do with this is we'll cook this and then we'll use half of it for a meal that night. And then we'll take half of it, we'll toss it into the freezer so it's a meal for another day. I'm so afraid this is gonna leak. So I'm gonna take some extra precautions. Now on these, I'm just gonna do a little bit of oil and then we're gonna do some Cajun seasoning. These are gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay, for these, I have this HelloFresh or Green Chef orange chili spice blend. And I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil and all of that spice blend. And then I'm just going to mix this all up. It smells delicious. And now I have 3 chicken dishes that are just ready to cook. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my mushrooms, and I'm also going to wash my green beans. Before I wash my green beans, I'm going to cut them. Wow, green beans are so annoying to cut. So normally I wash my mushrooms with a paper towel, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm just gonna wash these with the green beans after I cut them in half. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm gonna wash these really, really well. So here is that chicken that I marinated overnight. This is in like, I think, a orange chili lime seasoning. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna lay this chicken right onto the pan. I'm going to take my vegetables and lay those out. Now I have some green beans left. I'm just adding these to a glass container and I'll set these in the fridge for another meal. I'm going to spray these with a little bit of olive oil. And then I have this garlic and herb seasoning. Now I'm just gonna cook this at 350 degrees until everything is fully cooked through. So last night I broke some eggs on accident, so I'm kind of like going through to make sure all these are all right, which it looks like they are. So to this, I'm going to add like a tablespoon and a half of Parmesan cheese and like a heaping tablespoon of sour cream. Awesome. I have garlic powder dumped all throughout my drawer. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt, but I don't need much because of that Parmesan, and a whole lot of pepper. Now for my veggies, I'm going to be adding broccoli, but I'm going to chop these up. So this is gonna be my veggies. Usually I use spinach, but I don't have any. I'm impatient, so we're gonna make this work. See, when you tear at the bottom in a million ways, you don't have to poke holes in it. This is just mine, because I'm gonna be the only one that's eating this, so I don't mind if it's not perfect. I'm going to add this to the top rack of the oven while my lunch finishes up. These look amazing. All right, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to set these into this container, and then as the week goes on, I'll just pull from this for my lunches. I'm doing this so I can make a little better decisions because I've been going through a little depression, and it helps when I have better foods to eat. I know that I feel better, so we're doing it. It's perfect. And just like that, this week's lunches are all finished. Ooh. Okay, this looks amazing. Oh, I am so excited for this. I almost don't want to wait until the morning. So this is my breakfast for the next 6 days. So now I have my breakfast and my lunch prepped, and I don't have to stress about those 2 meals at all this week. I am so excited. Thank you so much for watching and come along on my little grocery haul and meal prep for the week. I'm gonna hurry up and get this video edited and uploaded for you guys because I have 3 more amazing videos this week that I'm so excited to share with you. I'm especially excited about a slow cooker sandwich video and my boxed brownie recreations video, so stay tuned for that. Those will be coming in the next 2 days. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!